Vintage shopping has had a resurgence, and the Sandhills is the perfect spot to plan a vintage shopping weekend. Come with us to some of our favorite vintage shops in the Sandhills. First up is Antiquely Chic, located in West End. This cute shop has booths with wares from different vendors offering vintage, refinished, and restored furniture, home decor, gifts, and more. Just down the street is the Bee's Knees, offering a great selection of antique and vintage items. They also host a community yard sale once a month. Next, we stop by Medleyanna's warehouse. This one is only open once a month, and it's jam-packed with amazing finds. If you're looking for vintage mixed with handmade and brand new decor pieces, head to Carthage and stop by Eliza Quinn Creates. Just a few doors down is Sweet Eva Jane's. In addition to vintage pieces, they also offer craft classes, which look like so much fun. Just down the street is Practical POSH, offering a fantastic collection of everything from cups to couches. The Cameron Antiques Fair is coming up, and one of our favorite vintage shops in Cameron is Old Hardware Antiques. They have a really beautiful collection, and it's possible to spend hours here. Last but certainly not least, you have to visit the Design Market in Aberdeen. With 40,000 square feet of vintage, refinished, and new consignment items, this place is a vintage lover's dream. We hope you'll plan a vintage shopping weekend right here in the Sandhills sometime very soon. Follow us for all the best things to see and do in the Sandhills.